merciful, Lord, for we have sinned. Be merciful, Lord, for we have sinned. Have mercy on me, God, in your kindness, in your compassion, blot out my offense. Oh, wash me more and more from my guilt and my sorrow, and cleanse me from all of my sin. Be merciful, O Lord, for we have sinned. Be merciful, O Lord, for we have sinned. My offenses, truly I know them, and my sins are always before me. Against you alone have I sinned, O Lord. What is evil in your sight I have done. Be merciful, O Lord, for we have sinned. Be merciful, O Lord, for we have sinned. Create in me a clean heart, O God. Put your steadfast spirit in my soul. Cast me not away from your presence, O Lord, and take not your spirit from me. Be merciful, O Lord, for we have sinned. Be merciful, O Lord, for we have sinned. Give back to me the joy of your salvation. Let your willing spirit bear me up, and I shall teach your way to the ones who have wandered, and bring them all home to your side. Be merciful,